Hello everyone, my name is Zafar Shah and today I'm going to tell you that what yoga you need to do when you are fasting during the month of Ramadan. Let's start with the warm-up. In that warm-up, try to bring your left hand towards your left side. So some people are very flexible that they can bring this elbow down and right hand over your head. This is how you're going to do the warm-up here, but if it's not possible, it's alright. Try to bring your hand here, it's a bit wide and try to bring this elbow down and up straight. Let's count for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and come back center. Alright, let's change the side now. So try to bring this right hand towards your right side. If you can bring that elbow down, bring that elbow down. And up straight, left hand straight. Let's have a good stretch here. 5 good breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, come back center. Very nice. All right, let's have a good spine stretch here. For the spine stretch, try to bring this right hand on that left knee. Now slowly bring this left hand back. So make sure that left hand is as close to your hip and your spine is really straight here. So if you can see in this angle, it's just like this. The spine should be very straight. Try to bring this hand close. Let's change the side on that right knee. Bring this right hand back. Twist and turn around. The spine should be very straight here. Let's count for 5 more breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly. Here, we are done with the warm-up. Let's start our yoga now. So for the yoga, let's start with the child pose. Child pose, try to bring those knees just possible, okay? So when you bring your knees wide, try to bring those toes together. Bring those toes on the ground, sit down. However, sometimes it's very difficult to do that. It's all right, just be yourself, just be like doing that like this, okay? It's okay. Just if you can do it, try to bring those knees wide. Let's deep inhale. And on an exhale, try to bring your chest down and
Alright, this is the first child pose of the day. Let's just calm down, relax. Let's deep inhale, exhale very slowly. Let's just focus on that breath at the moment in that child pose. It's just like everything is melting on that mat. Let's go deeper and deeper. On every exhale here in that child pose, you need to bring that hip down. Let's go deeper. They say that the deeper you go, the deeper you heal. And the deeper you heal, the better you feel. So let's just go deeper and focus. So it's just like everything is melting on that mat. Your shoulder relax. Going deeper. Let's deep inhale. And exhale very slowly in that child pose. Focus on that breath.
Alright, we are doing a puppy pose today. After the child pose, what is puppy pose? Is child and puppy. Try to bring those knees just a bit close here. Bring those hands forward. So in that puppy, we are looking for that length. In the child pose, we hip should be up and lengthen that back. Try to bring your chin down here. This is called puppy pose. Looking forward in that puppy. 5 more breaths. 5, 3. Lift yourself up. Very nice. After that puppy, we are tabletop and cat and top. Make sure your hands are firmly wide open. Make sure that hand is underneath your shoulder. Make sure that hand is parallel to your knee. Make sure that hip. So adjust yourself in the tabletop here. We'll be doing cat and cow today in the tabletop. It's very easy and you can do it in the fasting as well. So this is cow. In that cow, your back should be very straight, hip outward. Open up your chest and you're looking forward in that cow. Let's convert that cow into cat. Let's deep inhale. And on an exhale, roll that back, work on that core cat. This is cat. So what I have done in that cat, I've just rolled my back here. You need to work on that core. Focus here, work on that core. Bring that belly inside. Head down and roll that back. And we exhale in that cat. Let's deep inhale again. Back straight and you're looking forward into that cow. And exhale very slowly, cat. Let's inhale, cow again. And exhale very slowly, cat. Inhale again, cow. And cat. Inhale again, cow. And slowly, cat. So now let's convert into that tabletop again. So in the tabletop,
Alright, we are moving towards the balanced tabletop here, so you lift that right leg up straight. Make sure we're not doing this, please avoid that. Your leg should be very straight here. And you're looking forward, just like that. Very slowly bring this left hand forward. So it's your right leg and left hand here into that balanced tabletop. Just breathe, focus, reach, forward, straight leg. Try to bring this left hand back, and you're able to grab this leg. There's so many variations. Just balance. If you cannot balance, try to bring this knee down, twist and turn around. You can do that as well. Or if you can balance well, try to lift that knee up and twist and turn around. Just hold here. Breathe, focus, and just relax.
so let's change the side now. Bring this left forward. So if it's your left leg, I have to bring this right hand forward. Yes. This is called balanced tabletop. 5 more breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2. Bring this right hand back. Let's have a good. Let's try to grab this leg if you can. And those who are able to grab the leg, there's so many modifications. You can bring this shoulder back. Try to bring this heel far from your hip. And if it's not possible, it's all right. You can all the time bring this knee down and twist and turn around. All right, relax everyone this time. And just relax into that child. Calm down in that child pose. Three, 2, and slowly lift yourself up again into the tabletop. From the tabletop, knees up, exhale, push back, down dog. So this is the first down dog of the day. Let's just calm down, relax, focus on that breath at the moment. Let's walk that dog staying still, pedal those knees. So here, what we are doing, we are just working on that hamstring. Though down dog is not an hamstring exercise, it's a spine exercise. But since this is the first down dog, let's walk that dog staying still, pedal those knees here very slowly, not too fast. So here, what you need to do, try to bring that alternate heel on the mat in that down dog. Let's walk that dog staying still. Let's do this for 5 more breaths here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and just hold static down dog. Alright, in that static down dog, no more paddling, okay? What you need to do, try to bring your chest down. Here, lift that hip up. So it's not necessary that you're working on that hamstring. Down dog is not an hamstring exercise, it's a spine exercise. You can lift those heels up, but it should be very straight. Engage hip down, chest down, hip up to the sky here. Let's be here in the dog for 5 more breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2. Alright, deep inhale, bring the chest forward now. Let's convert that dog into plank. Make sure not moving. A common mistake that is bringing your pelvis here down. This is not right. In the back. And exhale very slowly, push back, down dog. Let's deep inhale again, bring your chest forward, plank. And exhale very slowly, chaturanga, knees, chest and chin down. And your ribcage, inhale up to sit up. And just relax. Child pose, for 5 more breaths. We'll be doing some warrior system after this child pose. 5, 4, 3, 2. Alright, slowly lift yourself up again. Put your tabletop, put your toes underneath your feet here again. Alright, again we are doing here. On an exhale, knees up, exhale, push back, down dog. Let's do the vinyasa one more time here. Deep inhale, bring the chest forward, plank, exhale very slowly, knees, chest and chin down, hands to your chin. And inhale, up, lifting down. On your toes, knees up, exhale, push back again, down dog. So in that dog, you need to lift that right leg up straight. Bring this right leg forward. You're doing a high lunge here, adjust yourself. Let's deep inhale, slowly raise your hands up straight. Exhale, bring those hands down to your heart. Lock the feet, heel down. Looking forward, we are doing this for warrior one here. This is called warrior one. Exhale, bring those hands down to your heart. Just towards your left side. Both hands straight, warrior two. You hear what is happening, and my chest is going forward. Try to bring your chest back here in the warrior two. Make sure the left hand is not going down. Bring this left hand straight here. And warrior two, hold. 5 more breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2. Bring this left hand back. Let's reverse that warrior. Right hand over your head. 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2. Straighten up this knee. Bring this right hand down. And convert this warrior into triangle pose. Left hand up straight. 5 more breaths again. 5, 4, 3, 2. Bring this left hand back again. And reverse that warrior. Bring both your hands back. Let's deep inhale. On an exhale, try to bring your chest down here. Let's convert this into humble warrior. 5 good breaths in that humble warrior. 5, 4, 3, 2, and lift yourself up very slowly. Bring this left hand on the mat and right hand up straight towards the side. 5 good breaths here again. 5, 4, 3, 2. Bring both your hands back. Push back. Deep inhale. Bring this left leg forward and fall forward. So this is the first fall forward of the day. It's not necessary that you should touch your toes. If you cannot touch your toes, if you're here, you're doing perfectly fine. Don't try too hard, okay? Those who can go down, just relax. Your shoulders are relaxed, your neck relaxed, everything totally relaxed. Calm down, falling forward. You need to, in that fall forward, bring all the weight on your toes. Try to bring all your weight on the toes. Meanwhile, your heel should be on the mat. You're just falling forward just like this and fall forward. Relax, deep inhale. Exhale very slowly. Alright, let's deep inhale again, flat back, and bring your hands here if you want, but the back should be very flat here. And exhale very slowly, fall forward. Inhale very slowly, raise your hands up straight. Into that mountain pose, bring your hands down. Inhale again, raise your hands up straight. Exhale, let's go down like this one. And bend your knees, hands on the mat, jump, walk plank. Exhale, push back, down dog. Deep inhale, bring the chest forward plank, knees on the mat. And relax, child.
Alright, staying in that child pose for 5 more breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and lift yourself up again into the tabletop. And slowly lift yourself up. Exhale, push back, down dog again. Alright, lift your left leg up straight this time. Try to bring this left leg forward. We are doing a high lunge here. Let's deep inhale. And exhale very slowly. So lift yourself up, raise both your hands up straight. Exhale, bring those hands down to your heart. You need to lock that leg, feet down, heel down. This should be 90-degree work on that left leg. Raise your hands up straight, look up, stand tall. Make sure you're not bending this knee. That knee should be very straight here. And you're looking forward, raise your hands up straight into that warrior one. Just breathe, focus. Exhale, bring those hands down to your heart. Twist towards your left side, both hands straight, parallel to your shoulder. What is happening here? That my chest is going forward. Try to bring this chest back. Yes, and focus. Try to bend this knee.
90 degree, bring this left hand, right hand over your head, left hand back, right hand over your head. Reverse that warrior. Bring this left knee straight, left hand down, and right hand up straight. Alright. Triangle pose. Let's reverse that warrior again. 5 breaths. Bring both your hands back. Let's interlace those fingers. Open up your chest. Deep inhale. On an exhale, try to bring your chest down. Let's convert this into humble warrior. Let's deep inhale again. Raise yourself up. Both hands on the mat. Deep inhale. Bring this right leg forward and fall forward again. This time bend your knees. Hands on the mat. Jump. Walk. Plank. Exhale. Push back. Down dog. Deep inhale, bring your chest forward, knees on the mat. And just relax again, child pose. Breathe and focus in that child pose. Again, from the child pose, lift yourself up again. Try to bring your legs forward. So you're doing some stretching here. In the end, both legs straight. Make sure knees are very straight here. Okay. Let's deep inhale and exhale very slowly. Raise your hands up straight. So these are not straight hands. Try to bring your hands back, chest forward. Deep inhale. On an exhale, try to bring your chest down here. So touching the toes is not necessary. What necessary is that your knees should be very straight. You're not using those shoulders. Try to bring your hands here. What necessary, what you need to do, your aim should be to bringing your chest down. So aim should not touching those toes and using those shoulders just like this. This is not good. So you're looking for that wall of tension here in the back. So what you need to do, bring your hands here. If you cannot touch your toes easily, bring your hands here. Tuck your belly inside. Let's deep inhale. On an exhale, try to bring your chest down. So when you bring your chest down, you will feel that there is a stretch on that lower back. So we are looking for the stretch and that lower back wall of tension here. Those who can easily touch their toes, you just grab those feet just like this, or you can bring your hands towards your heels here and bring your chest down here. Let's breathe. Make sure your knees are straight here. So there's a stretch here on that lower back. You need to feel the stretch. On every exhale here, try to bring that chest down. Alright, inhale very slowly, lift yourself up. Let's change, try to bring this left leg, right leg towards that left inner thigh. So make sure we're not doing this. It should not on the knee. Try to bring this heel towards that pelvis area here. And left leg, left hand on your left hand, right hand over your head. Let's have a stretch here for 5 more breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Okay, let's change the side now. So it's your left leg, so your right hand on that right leg here, left hand over your head. Let's have a good stretch here. It's your knee elbow stretch. 5 more breaths here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Alright, we're done here, but last but not the least, it's very important, it's a very necessary pose, and it's the most difficult pose, and that is the dead pose, Shavasana. So what you need to do in the dead pose, make sure your palm facing the sky. However, people don't do it, but this is very necessary pose. So your palm should facing the sky, just like this, lie straight, and dead pose.
Alright, in that dead pose, make sure your palm facing the sky, just relax, calm down. Let's deep inhale, exhale very slowly. However, it's not an easy pose. It's the most difficult pose in the history of yoga. It's not just lying straight. You need to focus on that breath all the time. Just relax those shoulders, let it go. Let all that stress go. Make sure there is no unnecessary stress. Your face relax, your jaws relax, everything totally relax. Try to relax that neck, bring that chin down. Just deep inhale and exhale very slowly. Relax those eyes, try to bring that eyeball towards your nose and just deep inhale and then exhale very slowly. Make sure you're listening to that breath all the time. Focus on that breath. Let's deep inhale and exhale very slowly. Breathe, calm down.
Alright, so we are done here. It was a very easy yoga for those who are fasting in Ramadan, or you can do it easily at your home, those who are doing it beginners yoga. I very much hope you like the video. Please subscribe our channel and share this video as well. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.